العالمين والصلاة والسلام على محمد النبي وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Honorable guests, respected teachers and fellow students, a very good evening to you all. First of all, I would like to thank from the depth of my heart the whole Noba team for providing such a platform and arranging such a regular preparation classes. When I joined this Center for Learning, I was filled with lots of doubts and of course was scared of it, but slowly with the time we got everything clearly. If we want to achieve our goals, then let's empower ourselves with the weapon of knowledge. As you know, the pen is mightier than sword. So on behalf of myself and the rest of the students, I would like to thank my teachers, especially very respected Munawwar Hussain sir, Abu sir, and Safdar sir, and Ubaid sir also, who provided directions to our knowledge and share to our future. They always treat us just like a friend. They always told us, you are strong, you are beautiful, you are fearless, you are wise, and you can do everything. If you can dream it, surely you can do it, just do it. It's really difficult. It's really difficult, almost impossible to explain what we came here. But let me tell you honestly, sincerely, and seriously that they inspired us, they insist us, they told us, forget everything, just walk and run in the direction of your dream. Things will be changed along the way. People will be changed. You will be changed. And finally, the whole world will be changed. They told us, do not be afraid to be hungry. Do not be afraid to walk alone if necessary. Keep doing what you do best. A man becomes distinct from his creation. The world is unkind. It will not be able to see you. You will have to learn to be able to see yourself. Dear friends, dear teachers, we would never forget the lessons that you have taught us about the books as well as the real life. So thanks just for being you. We are the lucky students to have you as our teachers, trainers conference. Personally, I also would like to thank my fellow students, Mustafizur Rahman and Mufti Junaid, for ignoring my comments and criticism during this period. All of you have a special, very special place in my heart. It doesn't matter if your dream comes true, if you spend the whole life sleeping. Now we stand on the turning point of our life when we have to move on the different paths. Only Allah knows if we would be able to meet each other later in our life or not. There is a whole world of possibilities for me and for all of us. We will eventually get from life what we want. So ask yourself, why not? Instead of asking why. This is the day I asked myself why. It's now our time to start new chapters in the book of life. We will forever shine. Thank you everyone, especially Abrar, Harun and Uzair, for making this movement very special for all of us. I will always cherish this moment. All the best for your future. I look forward to hearing of your success.